Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I want to take you around our room near the Transcorp Hilton. So guys, let me show you guys around the room. Come. So here is the TV area and some coffee cup like that. And here is the nice view. Sit and relax, with me to go for dinner. This is my beautiful red dress. So 8:15. I can wear this now. Should I wear this? Guys, and this is my shoe. I already have one in my foot. I'm running late. Guys. And it's just lip gloss. You see? I think I'm okay like that. I've wasted so much time. I'm just leave my hair like this also. The same earring, no time to look for that ones in the bag now. Because it's getting really late. It's getting late. Oh. This is my full outfit, guys. See you all when I get to the venue. Is it venue or to the restaurant? So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please, if you know you have not watched my previous video, please do so to watch. Another episode is still coming up on this staycation vlog, so please turn on your bell notification so that I get notified anytime I upload new videos.